A couple of months ago, Bambu Lab started a Kickstarter campaign for their X1 carbon printer. I couldn't help myself. I actually pledged for it, and it was pretty scary because it was an expensive printer, and Kickstarter is by no means safe. I mean, if you're lucky, you get the product, and you hope that everything will turn out well, but it's not a guarantee. The printer itself is revolutionary. I've had it for a few months now, and actually it was delivered faster than I expected. And it is a revolutionary printer. It's a Core XY printer with automatic bed leveling. It has an automatic material system. It has LiDAR. It has a multicolor sort of option. It has built-in Wi-Fi. It has artificial intelligence. It has a built-in camera. It has a filament sensor. It comes with an all-metal hot end that can hit up to 300 degrees. And most importantly, it has speed. And it's not surprising because of all these things that it's really shaking up the 3D printer industry. So, are there any problems? Well, the only problem that I can think of, there are some minor issues that Bambu Lab still needs to deal with. The biggest problem that I see is the price. So, for what you get, the price is not bad. It's actually very reasonable. However, it's still beyond what most people can afford. So, Bambu Lab, it's a brand new company, but they seem to be taking their cue from the DJI Playbook. So if you're not familiar with DJI makes drones. Many of the, in fact, I think all of the people that make up the core team of Bambu Lab, they all have worked at DJI, including the CEO of Bambu Lab, Dr. Yi Tao, who was the product manager of the Mavic Pro drone line. So, why am I talking about this? Well, the interesting thing is that the X1 Carbon Kickstarter has barely been fulfilled, and now Bambu Lab is teasing out a new printer. Apparently, it's going to be called the Bambu Lab P1P, and people have been going to all sorts of lengths to find out what this printer is about. So, surprise, surprise, Bambu Lab has leaked some information about the printer, but they haven't given out all the details. So we don't really know exactly what it's about. And this is very much in line with the way DJI does things, right? They will leak out some information about an upcoming drone. They won't tell you everything about it. And it'll basically create hype, and people will get all excited about it. So this is the same as what's happened with this new 3D printer that Bambu Lab is talking about, or that it's teasing us with. People have actually hacked the source code on the Bambu Lab teaser page that has given some interesting clues on what this printer might be about. And it seems that the P1P is Bambu Lab's solution to the price of the X1 Carbon. So the P1P apparently is going to be a somewhat cut down version of the X1 Carbon that will have a cost that is more accessible for both beginners and professionals. So the price is going to be a little bit lower. We don't know what the price is going to be, but like DJI, Bambu Lab is targeting a wide spectrum of people from all financial sort of areas, and they're trying to get as many people to buy their printer as possible. And this is the same thing that DJI does, right? They've got their Mavic 3 Pro, which is like a higher end drone, and then they've got the Air 2S, and then they've got the Mini 3. They're all very good, but they do target different people with different financial means. So we don't really know exactly what the new specs are going to be for this printer, but ultimately it seems to be a cut down version of the X1 Carbon. If the P1P is as impressive as the X1 Carbon, it's going to be a worthy addition to the Bambu Lab line of printers. They only have a couple of printers, but they seem to be very quickly adding more. And for those who can't afford the X1 Carbon, they may be tempted by the P1P. Now, would I buy it? I think ultimately I have to say yes, I may. In fact, I would love to put another Bambu Lab printer beside the X1 Carbon that I have right now, because I think they would make a great pair. Anyway, how about you? Would you consider buying the P1P? Would you buy the X1 Carbon? Do you think that the way that Bambu Lab has gone about marketing this printer is a good thing? And do you think that Bambu Lab is a revolutionary company who's going to shake the way that 3D printers are made? Put your comments below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And until next time, take care and happy 3D printing. Bye-bye.